side here. Can I fly or what? Okay, so now let me just connect it up. Oh yeah, what must have happened? Okay, that last clip that I just shot was not streamed. Okay, well, basically what I was just saying is each of these DIMMs of RAM here, they each have 20 bytes of memory in them. And here are the address lines that I program in. And yeah, the lag is real. And basically, to connect all of them up to this, well, this is the memory data register. I just connect it up to one of these rows, and I make that row go. I connect up the row all the way down, and that connects up all the other rows in that one column. Actually, no, I said it backwards. If I connect up one of these columns, it connects up all the other columns in that row. So I have to do the least amount of wiring, basically. The same thing goes for here, for the address lines. It's just hooked up to the memory address register, and then it's hooked up, and this these memory address lines go all the way down to each row, so I only have to connect it up once. It saves me a lot of time. And if there were snapping through pegs, this would be much easier, but I can't get that to work, so I have to go with this solution. I don't know. I have a feeling when I get up to 256 bytes, it'll be extremely laggy, because Corey's board that had 256 bytes was so laggy that it takes you like 10 minutes to load it in, and there's almost like a 100% chance it'll crash. Somehow Corey got it to work on his laptop. It was amazing. But it runs at like 2 FPS. So I'm just trying to find a better way to have the memory. And his was extremely long. I think his was like 5 megabytes in storage space. Well, actual storage space, not like... His was only 256 bytes, but the TUNG board file was 5 megabytes. I don't know how big this will be, but one of these is... Well, yeah. Well, I can't actually do it, though. I'll just do some multiplication. How about that? So, 25,000 times 20, that's like 500,000. So, mine is like half a megabyte. So... How many megabytes have I done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, already 5 megabytes. Okay, well, it isn't as laggy as Corey's. I think board size matters in lag, too. That might also be it. I don't know, really. Board size might be a problem, because these are small boards, but there are a lot of them. Corey's was one gigantic board, with lots of boards on top of it, which might have made it laggier than this solution. Okay, so... I didn't connect up this one. Okay. Let's go over to the other side and connect it up. Hopefully you guys can hear me well, because I do not want to take another take of this, because, I don't know, I failed so many times. Connect up there. There. This is for memory, data input and output. For this row. This memory thing actually kind of reminds me of actual memory, like actual memory modules in real life, like the ones you put in computers. It actually does look like that, and there's like each row of memory things looks like one of those, and like the levers at the end look like the hooking mechanism the slotting mechanism that like puts it in place. Okay, let me stop fast moving. Oh yeah, I have no clip on, by the way, right now, so I can go through blocks and stuff. This is the part where I can really mess up, so I have to be really careful. Yep, this is for read and write. That was a lot of lag. Well, Admittedly, I am running at 4K, but I turn on anti-aliasing to just get some more frames. Before, I was dipping to the low 20s every so often. Okay, so now to program this in. Now to just make sure this is the address that last one should be at. I think. It should, all the inverters should be off. Yeah, they all are. Okay, good. So basically how this works is I just put in the address line, number here. Okay, that was a lot of lag. And basically what I do is I connect up the ones that are on at this moment to the inverters, so I know when this specific combination is on, then the inverters are all off, which lets read and write be enabled. So I have to do this for every single one. It'd be sad if I messed up on my binary counting too. I have to do every single one over again. I wasn't smart when I built these, because I should have built like I should have put like a light here, like telling me that this row is selected, because then it'd be so much easier to debug. I could just run my computer and I could see all the lights turn on, but I didn't. So if there is a problem, it'll just go right over me, and I probably won't find it unless I do some really in-depth digging. So now... Oh yes, I'm also building the screen after this. I'm probably the only one on the watching this right now. Well, other than people watching it, watching this when it's uploaded to YouTube. Right now, I think I'm the only one watching the stream. Oof. It's fine though. Maybe I should tell Jimmy to come on or something. I don't know. Probably annoy him. I think 256 bytes is kind of the limit for TUNG. No, just because of lag. Like, I cannot load in Corey's board. There is absolutely no way I can load it in. My computer dies. And it crashes. Okay, that was a lot of lag. Ugh. The one concurrent viewer right now is probably me. It says on the YouTube stats, my other screen. It's probably me. Otherwise, whoever's watching, say something in the chat, because I don't know. Also, please point out if I make a mistake, because that'd be a great help. But I mean, this is pretty simple, just hooking up the red ones to the inverter. It's not gonna be that bad if I mess this up. Well, no, yeah. No, I'm doing my stream, Mom. Yeah, Corey still isn't here. He went to watch Endgame. Yes. Almost to there. The only problem I have with this is that this blotter will actually have more delay than this inverter just going straight to it. So my concern is that it could turn on for like a brief second, and then but then it'll be fixed by any of the inverters. I don't know if it'll be a problem though. Ooh, flag. It's all timed. I mean, the RAM doesn't have to be perfectly timed. Only like program counters and CPU related things. And I still have to work on I/O devices. Oof, realization. And the control unit still, because it's very hard. Like, how long have I been working on this? Like, a year? A solid year? Actually, no. Probably like a little bit over 6 months. 6 months or something. And I still haven't gotten the control unit done. Oof. And what? Okay. It's kind of weird. Okay. So caps lock is not on. I had to turn it on for this to work. Okay, whatever. Okay, okay, that's fine actually. Well, that isn't good. My computer just sped up really fast. For like a second there. I don't know, did I read? Must have been my CPU fans or something. Okay. This looks fine. I got all of them. Okay. Time for Lagfest. Time to clone this. Because for some reason this board is glitched. I cannot save it. I can try to, but I can't really. So I'll just keep it here. Seriously? Oh. Okay. Looks about good. There. Okay, time to hook it up. So, how many are these? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, I only have 2 more slots to go and I'm done. 256 bytes done. And this is 11, so I have 202. Oh, wait, how much do I have? 20 times 11. That is just 200. I have 220 bytes, okay. That's a lot. And I still have 2 more. Okay, whatever. I'll have some extra bytes that I don't need at the end. They'll just be like extraneous. They'll just be there. And I have some extra. Okay. I actually hit my mic. I actually have some extra space at the end when I'm done with this. Because this design is so compact. Well, in the. Not compact in the y-axis, though. Okay, more lag. I don't want to just clone it from this other one because I specifically programmed this one I specifically programmed it for those addresses. I want just a blank one that I can program from scratch, so I don't have to reset everything and do it all over again. Okay, I actually have to go to the bathroom, so. I'm back. I'm just gonna tell Jimmy, because I actually feel quite lonely on this server. All by on this, stream all by myself. Okay. Well, time to go over to the other side and do painful wiring. This wiring is so stressful and painful, especially this part. You can't really identify the through pegs that well. You just have to look like this. Oh yes, and when multi-wire editing comes out for Logic World, if it was available now, I would be able to do this in so much faster than what I'm doing now. I could connect them all up at the same time without having to do all this painful stuff like a billion times. Well, 13 times technically. Oh yeah, Corey said Han Solo gets resurrected in Endgame. But that's obviously false because I mean that's from like Star Wars. It's still funny though. Okay. Here's the reading right. There we go. The week goes so fast. I mean, I remember shooting this. I remember doing the same stream just a week, it felt just like yesterday, but it's today, so whatever. Let's go look at the end, see if it's on or whatever. Well, if the thing is being correct. Okay, good. I might be able to do the stream. I mean, I might be able to do the screen on the stream today. I'm not sure. I basically have the general idea of how the screen's gonna work, so. More boring programming. I did this for like 3 hours on Saturday. It was a long session of just doing this over and over again. The only thing to amuse me was just the music. And that was it. Nothing else. This is the most boring task ever. Like, you should be able to import, like, I don't know. Without using mods, and, like, the boards will still be compatible with, like, vanilla. If you could just, like, import, like, if there were, like, scripts or something. Like, in Minecraft, how there are command blocks, or, like, data packs or something like that. Not, like, a full-on mod thing. If you could get that... If we could get, like, this thing where we just build the whole decoder for you, like, instantly, without having to do all this, I don't know, labor-intensive work. I know it's not labor-intensive. Well, not labor-intensive, but, just annoying work. And then finding out that you've done it all wrong at the end would even be worse. I mean, if a robot did it for you, then you know it's not wrong. And I miss connecting wires, like, half of the time, which is also annoying. Yeah, Jimmy's probably not gonna get on. Even though I Discorded him. Oof, more lags. There. Okay. I want to finish this during this stream at least, the memory. Because I'm so close to finishing it. I really hope my computer doesn't die in the process, though. If I've calculated correctly, it should definitely fit on this board. It should be 13 of these slices. And if it is not 13, then I've counted wrong. And I'm going to have to find... Well, I won't have to redo every single one. I'm just going to have to find the one that's either double counted or I just left out in the address programming. Because they don't have to be in this order. They can be in any order, like Corey pointed out. He messed up on some of his... So he put it in any order. But his was so much easier because basically what he had, it was just a matrix. And he had memory cells at every column and row intersect. And he only needs one 4-bit decoder on one side and the same 4-bit decoder on another side. And then basically there are AND gates on each of these boards which detect that the column and row have been turned on, and that's how the memory is selected. So he only has to make 4-bit decoders, but I have to make an 8-bit one, which is a really bad part of this design, but I can't really fix it because I want it to be this compact. So there's a lot of player interaction needed for this. Okay, that was a lot of lag. Okay, yeah, I didn't change it. I'm only using 9,000 kilobits per second now, not 51,000 for a 1080p 60. Last time I was using 51,000, which was useless because I think that's for like 4K 60, but YouTube cannot process 4K 60 without it having like lots of lag. So I'm gonna have to use 1080p. I found that out in one of my previous takes today. Basically, I don't know, I played for like 10 minutes and I realized it was extremely laggy, so that all had to be scrapped, which is so sad. I don't know how to keep you guys entertained. This seems so boring, just hooking up wires and stuff. Well, yeah, there's no one, so I don't have to entertain anyone. Good. Okay, I mean, if you're watching this after it's been uploaded to YouTube, then I have to keep you, entertained, right? So, what can I do while I'm doing this? My commentary skills suck. Okay. Well... What? Okay. I swear. Is this one actually missing? What? Why? Okay, now I'm really concerned now. 'Cause if this is missing on every single one, I'm going to be so mad. Good, it's there. No! Why? How could I miss this? Oh, I'm such an idiot. It's missing on every one. Except the last two. No, why? Why does this have to happen? I spent so long making this, and I missed it. I did it like 20 times. I did it like 10 times, and I missed it. I missed this missing one. Oof. Oh, why? I didn't even keep track of... Oh my god. If only I included the displays. This would have saved me. How do I know which one is which now? Okay. Um. Okay, I can at least look at the previous one to find out which one this is supposed to be, I think. So, basically, to tell which one it is, so these ones that are going are ones. These ones that are going into the inverter and then into there are zeros. So, and I think it's flipped too. So this is 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0. So the next logical one would be all ones, and it would just be okay. 1 2 3 4. Yeah, it would just be this. I'm really hoping this is right. Oh, why? It's okay. This one now. Let's look at this. So 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, 1 0 1. Okay, I'm very confused. It's 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, I'll just count it from here. So it's 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. And this one that's missing is supposed to be right there. So, will there be a carry? No, there will not, because it's still 0. Okay. Oh god, it's so much lag. Lag spikes. So, it's 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 all 1. So, yes, this one does not matter at all. Because I can just tell from if one is off, then I know this one isn't. It'd be just nice if all of these where 1 is not selected. Good. I would have never noticed that if this wasn't on, actually, because it would always be off. Well, actually, I don't know. Because I didn't notice it when I was debugging it before. It's kind of weird. Oh. Well, it doesn't matter. It'll just go to there. And I imagine I do this completely wrong. It just goes... Okay. Yeah, it just goes to the other one, so it's fine. Okay. Yeah, they're all good from there. Whoa, okay. Problem averted. I was wondering, like, how is that missing? That's so weird. Like, I didn't realize that for the whole time building this. I didn't realize there was that one missing one. I must have been, like, so tuned out. I just didn't even realize. That must be the last one. Now I am very concerned. No, I'm not. Oh, wait, no, yes, I am. Oh, boy, I'm really concerned. That is not good. There's duplicate. This is a duplicate. That's not good. Duplicates are not good. Okay, well, I'm just going to delete that last one. I forgot which one. This is the duplicate. Hey, Jason. Hello, welcome to the stream. Hectic Apollo. It's just me, Jason. I'm talking to myself. Corey would usually be here, but he isn't. Because this is my science project, and I like doing tongue related things. Oof, the lag. I think, okay. You know, I'm just gonna delete this because I screwed up. Be careful when deleting this, because I don't know, deleting things has so much lag in tongue. It's like the most laggiest thing ever. Sylvia's in here, Jason. And by the way, if you're referring to my brother, he isn't here either. Tongue is a game, and that's what I'm playing right now. I'm programming the memory right now. No lag spikes. That's what I like to see. Okay, much lag spike. Basically all the lag spikes that exist. Ouch. My frame rate is dead. Wait, how? How did I miss this one? No, you're not. I don't believe it. If you are outside my house, just ring my doorbell then. I dare you. Huh?
How many viewers? Dude, how many viewers?
How many?
How many?
Jason's watching.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Jason, chat.
Oh my god, I'm stupid. I started programming this with the other one on. You know, I'm just not gonna do this. I'm just gonna clone another board and delete this one. Cause I just do not want to go through the trouble. Okay. Please don't crash my game. Please. Eddie's here.
Huh? He's here?
You mean on the stream? No, he isn't. Well, unless he's watching on your phone. Well, time to clone it. What is Eddie with you right now? At that moment.
Dude, you know, like every clip is like pixel perfect. It's like almost pixel perfect. It's like 10 pixel perfect.
If Eddie's here, then this is painful to wire up. This brings me pain. wire up. Mental and physical pain. Even though it might seem easy, it is not. Oh, so many lag spikes, so many frame dips, so many almost crashes.
Oh, I tried a 78. Oh, what's this one? That's not my score. 58 to 78.
There, that should be hooked up. No, I'm even more of an idiot. I even got rid of the address I was on. Ah, great. I can just read it. It was 1010011. So there's 2 1s at the end and then 2 spaced out ones. Okay, that's how I remember it. There. Now to hook it up. Hey, that was the right one. Okay, I can read. Now,
Are you even friends with Enzo anymore?
yeah, I guess. Time to do one of the most boring things known to man. Wiring up this thing. This might be absolutely the worst
Oh my god.
thing ever.
I just want to nerf this level to make every single spike a 1 spike. I just want to do that. I want to make all 1 spikes, nothing spikes. No, half spikes. I want to make all double spikes, 1 spike. I make all triple spikes, 1
Oh
spike.
god, the lag. Where are you guys at if Eddie is there? Are you outside my house or where are you? Jason, please answer me.
Coin is like so hard, especially with a mini. Can we just delete all the coins?
No.
What if the coins?
Coins are important, Dee Dee.
Can't we just get rid of the coins and trick everyone into getting the coins?
What do you mean trick them?
Please, David, I actually do not want to get the coins.
Get the coins.
I'm gonna see if it's possible to not get a coin because I'm pretty sure as a mini you can't fall down those things.
What do you mean?
I'm actually doing pretty good today too on small madness. Why did I agree to take this verification project? It's so damn hard. I died at 78 again.
What is it, 78?
The second triple spike.
Oh.
Its first triple spike is easy.
It is?
Yeah.
Dee, they're the same triple spike.
Like, I don't know why, but like, they're literally the exact same thing, but like, I just feel like the second one is harder. Actually, I get this first one more often. I wish I get really lucky, and when I get the second triple spike, I get past it. Basically, if I get past
very real. I wish I could have a robot do this. There, it's done. Now for the next column. Oh, the lag. It's not as much lag as deleting things. Deleting things is a ridiculous amount of lag. There. Okay. There. Yep, okay. Time to start programming again for the billionth time. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, just this one and another one to go, and we'll be done with 256 bytes. $40 more of these to hook up. Great. More of my life wasted. Eddie has it very easy on this. He just has to program it. Let's just make a decoder class. If only I could do that in TUNG. Nope. I almost made a mistake there. Okay, no. It goes to there. I think that's right. There. Okay, my computer just got loud again. Why is that? I don't know. Hopefully logic.ly, no, logic world is more stable. I really hope it is. Especially because I'm going to build that 50 by 50 by 50 cube computer. In Tongue, it's kind of questionable, but in Logic World, it's much easier because of like the pre-made gates. It's kind of questionable if it can be made in Tongue, just because there's no integrated circuits. Oh god, the lag. We need to make like some sort of Logic World server, like Open Logic server or something like that, where you can just create whatever you want and no restrictions really, no griefing other people's designs. I guess. I don't know. You have to make custom server code for that. Custom Logic World scripts for that or something. Like how Minecraft has Open Redstone server, Open Logic World server would be cool. Or Open Logic, I don't know. This is the most tedious process ever. Oh. Yes, it's done, I think. Did I get to the end? Oh, more lag spikes. Yes, I did get to the end. Okay, one more. This is it. This is what I've been waiting for. Oh, for a week. This has taken me. I just want to finish this. Yes, the last board. 256 bytes. Now to program it. Great. My favorite part of any board. And hooking it up. What? How does that work? Okay, whatever. Okay, maybe did I hook it up? Okay, I hooked it up right. There. Oh, almost an hour of streaming. Well, that shows you how fast time goes when you're having fun. I'm being very sarcastic. Time goes fast because this is a boring process that I can just tune out. And that's maybe why it seems to be going fast. I don't know. There. Let's check. Good. I'm being very sarcastic this stream. I don't know why. Okay. Oof, more lag. How hot is my system right now? I don't know. I can't really check now because I'm streaming. Whatever. What a lonely stream this was. Only Jason came. I would be so mad if this doesn't actually fit. Because how many do we have? We've gone through 3 already. And look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 to the 4. So 16. So yes. Yeah. Oh wow, that actually works out perfect. Wait a second. That means I skipped some. I'm concerned now. Okay. I might as well just finish programming this. And I'll be concerned about it later. I just want to finish this. If I have any missed or duplicated memory cells, it doesn't really matter because I have the memory somewhere. It doesn't matter where I read it from or not. I have the data somewhere. If the memory cells duplicate, I don't really care. Well, not really, because I'm just lazy and also, what else? Because the data's going to be in one place or another. It's not going to be, like, going nowhere. So, and it's going to fit actually perfectly, maybe. I don't know, because when I looked at it, it seems like it'll fit perfectly, which it shouldn't have, because this is actually more than I actually need. It'll be like 4 bytes over that I calculated, but it seems like not, so I must have duplicated some. Or I skipped some. In that case, then, well, it's just unused memory cells anyway. I'm gonna have unused at the end anyway. It doesn't matter. So it's all fine, David. Don't worry. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm fine. Oh yes, Jimmy. Are we? Jimmy isn't even watching, but whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna ask him. Please keep this. Can you keep this music for Logic World because it's actually pretty good. Because the new music you showed in the trailer is pretty good, but I also would like to keep this music, unless this music is just like not original because it's like freelancer music, open source. I don't know, not open source, but just like it's just free to use. Then it's fine if you just want to be more original. I don't know. When I talk, I'm just gonna make a mistake. I already know it. That's maybe why I messed up previously. I cut my mistakes this time, so more lag. Almost at the end here. This is home stretch. Almost there. No. Oh. Hello, Jason. I see you commented again. Or I probably just missed when he commented, but whatever. He probably commented earlier. But, okay, you're still outside. Okay. When I'm done streaming, I'll go outside and look for you. If you're there. But I don't believe it. I still don't. Like, why would you be watching the stream outside of my house? Okay, and if there isn't enough, then we'll... Oh, you're gonna come to my next TUNG Tuesday? Oh yeah, Corey will hopefully be on the next one. Maybe even Daniel, I don't know. Most likely Corey, though, only. Maybe Jimmy will be, watching the stream. He's, the developer of TUNG. He just watches the stream, usually. So close here. Okay, well, it's been revealed. I duplicated, or I skipped, 2 bytes. What an oof. But, it doesn't matter, because it's done. It's finally done. And it isn't lagging like crazy, like Corey's board. Well, the proof of concept has been shown. It works, and it's much less laggy. I think bigger boards overall lag more, rather than equally sized. Well, not... These are not equally sized. It's even slightly larger. More smaller boards is better than one large board with lots of boards on it. I don't know why, though, but I don't know. Maybe Jimmy will be able to answer that. And yeah, I was probably really far away from my microphone, so you probably couldn't hear me. Okay, now to test it. What is this thing even gonna do? So, okay, time to turn it on. And hopefully not break anything. Let's see if anything is, I don't know, on. Good. Yeah, it's reading. It's just reading from RAM now, it looks like. Not writing anything. Well, it shouldn't be writing anything, because I turned the store command off. So it's just reading from it. And what's it getting out? There's nothing stored in RAM. Otherwise, these would have turned on. Great. Oh. That's why I'm being stupid. Oh god, the lag. It's reading now. Has it gotten anything? It hasn't. Okay. There shouldn't be anything stored in memory anyway. Seems to be working. Let me put back those 2.
Who's watching?
Music is on, Jason, by the way. You just can't hear it because it's really low. Because I want you to be able to hear my voice. I can't listen to the stream unless Corey's here. Or
10, 9,
What?
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 hour!
Okay, 1 hour of streaming is done.
Okay, bye, we're gone.
No, stop. I'm still going to stream, Dee Dee. Okay, I'm scared now. Oh god. The lag from deleting things is ridiculous. How much? I like how this makes like a curve when I connect it up. You can see it's like a nice curve there. Look, the computer's running. So right now, it's going through all the memory addresses right now, looking for instructions. Those go into the instruction register, well, memory data register. Those go into here. And then the cycle instruction register executes different parts of the instruction. Right now, it's just fetching from memory and doing nothing with it because there's nothing in the instruction register. So it's just looping through all the memory addresses. Okay, time to check on my computer temps, because I'm worried. My GPU, well, no, my CPU is like, it's kind of hot, only around 40. My GPU is only 64, okay. I don't know why it's speeding up so much. It might be just because of this, because I might have set the fan curve to start speeding up at around 40 or 50 or something like that. I don't know. Okay, well, I'm gonna end the stream because I finished finally this memory. And it isn't as laggy as I thought it would be, but it was really hard to hook up. It's probably the most time-consuming thing of this whole computer so far. So, bye, see you next week.